The following tutorial describes how to view third-party 3D X-ray scans on Canvas. Let's begin. 3D X-rays from select brands, Carestream, Morita, and Planmeca, can now be opened in Canvas for communication purposes. While diagnostic tools and SmartView are not available for these files, they can still be used to support discussions and case reviews and benefit from the latest enhancements like MPR layout and full screen mode. Even annotations are available for third-party 3D X-rays. Please note that these files are intended for communication purposes only and are not approved for diagnostic use within DS Core, as indicated by the message in the menu bar. When reopening a third-party 3D X-ray in Canvas, the layout and any annotations previously made will remain consistent. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about Nudi's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.